How to fix command prompt or CMD not working. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, search for Task Manager. Simply open it. After that, you have to search for Task Manager here. And then the command prompt. And after that, simply end task. Then if this problem still does not go away, simply refresh and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.